Hello, my name is Ari Pokka and I'm the principal of the Schildt Upper Secondary School, Jyväskylä, Finland. It's nice to be part of your conference today, and I try to explain a little bit about the teacher's profession in Finland and especially what is important in teachers training nowadays in the Finnish universities. As you perhaps know, all the Finnish teachers have university background, and same also as a principal, so we all actually have the same university level competencies, and it's make these Finnish schools quite a special if we comparing them the schools all over the world. The other specialty in the Finnish education and special teacher training is that only one of the 20 students actually passed in the university level teacher training. So this is very competitive profession in Finland, and it's a long heritage in the Finnish culture that the teacher profession has been one of the maybe most important, very respected, and still I think that the Finnish teachers has quite a high level. Even nowadays, the situation is a little bit different than maybe 20 years ago, 30 years ago. We have seen some symptoms of that the level of respect of the teacher has getting lower also in Finland, and that's the one of the biggest issues when we discuss about the future of the Finnish education, because the good teachers and the possibilities to select the best ones is the one of the key element of the schools in Finland. We speak very much about the trust in the Finnish education, that and we principals trust the teachers, and why so? It's because of the high level of the teacher training in the universities. But when we are looking for the new teachers and the new generation of the teachers, we saw some of the competencies what the new teachers will need in the Finnish education. The first one I think is that we like to see the teachers more leaders as maybe early days, and not only the leading the school. That's not the point that everybody must come the principal, but more about that teaching, learning, and leading the learning is one of the elements what we need more and more in the classrooms, or let's say learning environments. So leadership in the many level is the one of the things what we like to concentrate more in the teachers training in the future. The other one, of course, is that especially in the upper secondary school, the teachers must have very good knowledge about the subject what they teach. If they are mathematics or language teacher, they must have the master degree level, all of this. But maybe even more important nowadays is that how you actually make these new kind of learning environments happen in your daily life. Not only the classroom, but also out of the classroom. How you use the internet and all these kind of new possibilities to make the teaching and learning more interesting. It's not only the devices. I think it's much more about the strategies of the leading teaching and leading the learning situations. I think that when we look, especially the primary school level in Finland, I'm very happy to notice that the students or the pupils who coming then here in upper secondary level, they have a lot of different kind of strategies to learn, and it tells that the teachers nowadays actually not only teaching the subject, but they teach also very much about how to learn, what is one person best ways to learn the things. And I think it's very important if we look the whole learning, um, what happens the person not only in the school but also outside of the school. Then one of the key element, maybe the third one, is the collaboration between teachers. We have strong belief in Finland that that kind of subject-based teaching is not existing anymore the same way what it was existing some decades ago. It's more about the collaboration between the teachers and also how we combine different subjects, the new kind of learning situation. How we integrate the different kind of things perhaps outside of the school part of the learning. So teachers must be very active citizens. They must follow what happens in the world and how it affects the school and how it affects the school life. In the Finnish school, the teacher has a lot of other responsibilities than teaching. So we like to see also that kind of new generation of the teachers who are very interesting to take the part of the, let's say, school leadership, international projects, taking the steps, using the new devices in the school life, many other things which are not